Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video and a new series. Now, I don't know how long this series is going to last, but I'm going to be completely honest with the results I get, and as you can probably tell by the title, I'm going to be starting my own e-commerce store and showing you guys the power, one, of knowledge of marketing, and also, is dropshipping and e-commerce a dead market? Is there enough customers at the moment to get into dropshipping yourself? I have had a lot of interest from this on my Instagram, and a lot of people messaging me saying kind of how do you make money? Can you help me with my own e-commerce businesses as well? So I thought it'd be quite cool to set my own up and just kind of see how we go. Now for this there are going to be a couple of rules. Now, the first rule is we have a really small starting budget. The starting budget of what I'm thinking is around $500, because the majority of people watching this video are gonna have around $500 to spend. Simple as that. So we're gonna spend $500 only. And another one is we're gonna give this a month, and we're gonna go all in for a month. So this will give you a good idea of whether you can actually do it in 30 days. It's going to be a 30-day challenge, and whenever there's going to be an update inside my store, I'm going to film it and obviously put it into a video. So expect one of these probably every week for the next 4 weeks, and yeah, we're going to get straight into it. So I guess the first thing to kind of tell you guys about like what actually is dropshipping and what is e-commerce. The e-commerce side of things is websites. Now, dropshipping is where you never hold any inventory. What you do is you promote a product and then purchase that product when somebody purchases from you from AliExpress, put their email address, everything like that into AliExpress, and then AliExpress ships it out, just as an example. Now, what's the first kind of step to set up your store? I believe always, like, obviously get the tech stuff out of the way, like get your Shopify store set up, all that kind of thing. Now, after that, it's to find a profitable product. Now, what I've done is I've searched on TikTok for a bit of a while now. And I have found some pretty decent products. Now, what I'm going to be doing now is actually showing you, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the products now. Okay everyone, so right now we are on AliExpress, as you can see on the screen, the fated AliExpress, the marvelous website that is. So basically what AliExpress is just a cheaper version of Amazon, like as simple as that. But it's very popular for drop shipping and different things like that. So we're just going to go ahead and I'll tell you what products I was working with. So after kind of looking through TikTok and things like that, the main ones that I saw that looked like they were doing well was this pill separator bottle that was kind of advertised as a jewelry thing as well, because obviously when you're traveling and things like that, you need to keep your jewelry safe. And it can get lost in like bags and things like that. A very popular problem. And I decided to go for the travel niche just because there's that, like, you need different things in the travel niche, right? So there's lots of different things that when you're traveling, you want it to be as stress-free as possible. So that's kind of why I picked the travel niche. And also I'm very interested in it, so I'll find it easier to kind of be more engrossed in the project, different as well. So another one that I went for, that I looked at, was the inflatable travel pillow. This was the one that I saw, looked really good. So yeah, as you can see there, and there's some nice product pictures here as well, which is really cool. So that's one I was thinking of. And then another one was this travel perfume bottle as well. Now, literally the only reason why I didn't go for this one, or I didn't go for this one, was simply because of the pricings of it. So this one's 39p. You could probably, like, if we look on Amazon now, portable travel pills, something like that. Here we go, right, okay, so £5.44, there's one there for £9. Let's go like an average on about £6-7, right? So the pill separator here, 40p. Okay, so then you've got your advertising costs as well, which I think per product, like no matter if it's £7 or if it's like £15, that doesn't really matter with these kinds of things. So per product, you're looking at about a £4 or £5 advertising cost. That's what you would ideally want. So there's just not going to be the profit margin. I will have to sell a lot of these to make a profit. So the same, exactly the same with these ones as well as it is with the pill thing. So that is the reason why I've gone for the inflatable travel pillow. Now this is an exclusive first order price, but if we go to the other ones, obviously there's heaps of different ones here, but let's find the actual one that we're looking for. Okay, so I've found this one here. Now these guys have got all 5-star reviews, so let's just have a click on. So this one's like £3.93. I saw another one on page 2. If we go back to page 2, sorry about the quick scrolling. So I saw another one on page 2. If we have a look now, that's £1.15, but that's like a welcome deal. So you just want like a standard deal where you can actually use that. So if we head over to Amazon now, so the average price on Amazon, I've seen them at about £20. Like there's one here for £17, there's some cheaper, you got one here £20. Yeah, these ones mainly around the £20 mark. So we can very comfortably advertise this. I'm thinking about £18.50, just with free shipping hopefully as well. So we'll have to actually check the shipping and different things like that. But these are the kind of things that go through my head when I'm looking at this basically. So guys, we have now found the people that we're going to be going for basically for the product. Now these guys don't have as many reviews as I believe it was this one. No, sorry. It was this one here who have like 2,717 reviews. They don't have as much. However, what they do offer is free shipping, which is obviously super great, and 15-day delivery as well, which is really good for us on overs over £8, and each one of these are over £8 as well. Now, so actually what I was looking for was around the £5 mark, but usually what companies do on AliExpress is have around about a £2, £3 shipping fee on top of that as well. So £8 is kind of what I was looking at anyway. Now, if we're gonna go ahead and sell this for £18, that gives us £10 to play with. Now, hopefully every single order I'm making around £5, and then to have a reasonable income, like to make it, I guess, a side hustle, you would then have to sell 10 of these a day. And to get a really, really like a solid income, which is probably around like £200 a day, you would then have to sell 40 of these a day. So that's kind of what we're looking for here. So what we're gonna do now, and what you're gonna probably see in the next video, is me putting all of this into Shopify and kind of getting started with setting up my website basically. So these guys actually have 100% 5-star review rating, and there's people from all over here. So we've got Canada, Japan, Israel, Spain, Israel again, and Croatia, and we have got Chile as well. And so basically there's only a couple here with actual word reviews, but this one here from Canada has a lot of reviews here, like a good amount of text that we can put in. We'll get all this information into our website. Good to match the description, fast shipping, great work. It's all good, thank you very much. Very good, there is no need to use the extra equipment because it's easy to fill with the mouth as well. So even like if we're being honest with those there, because realistically what we can say is we can do a slight upsell with the inflator. So if like they charge basically 70p extra. If we then double that and say like we'll charge £2 extra, so with an inflator it's £20, without the inflator it's £18, then that's actually going to really help us there with increasing our customer value. Also, something that I'm thinking as well is these guys offer £3 off every £25. So I'm gonna do a kind of family pack, family deal where people can then buy 3 or 4 of these. So, and then they'll get obviously cash off and money off. these are kind of the similar things that you guys can add into your own business. Now, whether you've already got a product or whether you're looking for a product like I'm doing here, you can actually add these principles into your business. And I would recommend that every single e-commerce store either has an upsell one or a kind of a bulk package and bulk order deal, because then you're increasing your customer value. And with the rule of 10%, if you increase your number of customers, the price and the quantity of the kind of in an order by each one by 10%, then your overall revenue is actually going to increase by 30%. It's a very kind of well-known principle inside the e-commerce industry, and I thought that you guys should know it as well. However, if you are kind of looking to set up your own online business, whether it be drop shipping, whether it be drop servicing, which is kind of what I've specialized in and I've made my money doing, drop servicing has given me the ability to work on things like this and understand the business principles behind it, and therefore hopefully to make a profitable company and profitable store. So without trying to be biased here, what I would actually recommend is drop servicing, because it gives you all the tools needed to even start drop shipping if you would like to do that. Now, if you are looking to create your own marketing agency and start drop servicing, then let me know on Instagram. I'm always available there. And if you drop the word inflatable from the inflatable travel pillow into my Instagram DMs, then I'll make sure to get back to every single one of you. And if you have come from this video, I've got a cheeky discount on my course program. So I just want to say to you guys, thank you very much for watching, and make sure you reach out to me over on Instagram. I'm more than happy to kind of have a conversation with all of you. And if you are looking forward and excited for the next dropshipping video, then let me know down in the comments section below. Run up the likes on this video and drop a subscribe if you are new here. I've got 6 subscribers so far, and I'm looking to grow that as quickly as possible, and hopefully videos like this do that. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys next week.